Tiny kitten ran up to a woman with creeping nose in bushes, then realized they were meant to be. As Casey was walking towards the bushes, a tiny kitten suddenly ran up to her. Casey loved animals. Although she knew she didn't need any more cats, she couldn't resist taking another one a few months ago. And as I walked up to the bush, she just came running up to me. As Casey was walking toward the bushes, tiny kitten suddenly ran up to her. She has been rescuing cats and dogs, and she doesn't plan to stop doing so. As she told Dodo, she heard a creeping noise behind the bushes and caught a kitten. She was surprised, and of course she couldn't help having a little moment with her new friend. I picked her up and she moused. She remembered when Casey took her in her hands, unlike what everyone would have expected. The beautiful kitten was not scared of her. The little soul just relaxed and felt like she belonged there. Cassie felt that the little kitten had been waiting for her the whole time. So she took her to where her stop was and tried to find something that could work as a water bowl for her. Apparently, the kitten had been deprived of water and food for quite some time, and she couldn't miss the opportunity to drink some water once it appeared. As I'm turning the hose on, it's kind of spilling on the floor, and she just ran over there and started drinking the water bottle from the floor, she said. Then she used a frisbee at a water bowl, filled it up with water, and had a cat drink from there. I had cat food in my car for my cats, she explained, so I grabbed some of that and gave it to her, and she just liked scarfing it down. She realized it was food time. Once Cassie was ready to move on with what she was doing before meeting her, the little kitten followed her everywhere. While Cassie tried to leave, the cat made it clear that she wouldn't live without her. And in that, the woman ended up taking her home. They just had to show her that they were meant to be. I opened the door and she just following me everywhere. I knew automatically she was going to stay with me forever, she said. When they got home, Casey gave her a bath and put her to sleep. Luckily, Charm, as her name is now, soon adapted to house life. 6 months later, they are all a big family. Watch the story below and let your heart melt. Please share this with your friends and family.